everyone, and welcome to Bumby. Today I have for you a simple Dollar Tree DIY, a farmhouse neutral inspired Easter decor. So let me show you the items that I'll be using to make this DIY. Okay, I'll be using these little planners that I got back in February. You get 3 of them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And if you remember, I did these little heart topiaries DIY. So I'm going to be removing these. And then the items that I'll be using is straight pins with a little pearl on the ends. And then I picked up these cupcake liners from the Dollar Tree. They're Reynolds brand, and they come in the different pastel colors. And we'll be making some paper carnations using the cupcake liners. So, like so. I already made these over here. You're also going to need these bunnies that you pick up at the Dollar Tree. They come for $1, and they come in different colors. It didn't matter what color I picked because I plan to paint these bunnies in white. And then some green moss. Okay, so I'm going to start with removing the hearts from my containers. And then I'm also going to remove the extra moss. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 of my paper carnations, and then I'm going to push down the straight pin all the way down to the foam. So I think I'm going to add 3 or 4. I think 3 is good. Okay, and that'll give me some white and yellow carnation flowers. Okay guys, let me show you how to make the paper carnations. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do them in white and yellow. So I'm going to separate white and yellow cupcake holders or liners. I'm going to start with the white. Then I'm going to add the pin right here to the middle. And then I'm going to scrunch up my cupcake liner. Like so. Then I'm going to add my yellow. I'm going to do the same. Add the pin to the middle. And just scrunch up. And I'm going to add another white one. So I'm only going to add 3 cupcake liners to make my carnation. Here I go. I'm going to put it through. Hold the pin. And just scrunch, squeeze. And I'm just going to add it over here, push it in, like so. Okay, so let me show you again. You're going to take cupcake, you're going to put the straight pin in through. You can see, we're going to scrunch up. And we're going to do the yellow, again, like so. We're going to scrunch up, and then we're going to add a white one, and we're going to scrunch up. Okay. And I just make sure that the center where the pin is, that it goes straight into the foam. So I think 3 per container is plenty. What I like about these flowers, they're really easy to make, and you can sit in front of the TV, watch a show, and just, you know, make your flowers. So that's really simple to make. Okay, so here I have all 3 of my containers ready to go with their flowers. Now let's work on our little bunnies. Guys, this is what one coat looks like, and I think I'm okay with that. Just see a little bit of the pink, but very, very, very little. So I think I'm just going to do one coat. Okay, let me finish painting these other 2. Okay, now that my bunnies are painted, and I only did one coat, guys, just going to add a little bit of glue here to my stick, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the green moss. I'm going to go ahead and trim. And then I'm going to add it to my little planner that I have my paper carnations. And then a piece of twine that I have here left over. Just going to make a little bow. And I'm going to glue the bow right over here. And there you have it, guys. So let's go place these on my coffee bar where I used to have the little heart to Paris. And there it is, guys. I think it turned out really cute. The reason I actually did these paper carnations was every time I went to the Dollar Tree, I just couldn't find any cute yellow or white florals to go with my, you know, yellow, white, neutral decor for spring and Easter that I want to do this year. But there we go. I think they turned out really cute and really inexpensive to make. Just, you know, I think I just spent like, what, $2 in the package of the bunnies, and then the carnations. I bought that big package of the Reynolds cupcake liners. And other than that, I already had everything else on hand. Thank you so much for joining me today. I apologize. This video has taken me all day to make. My camera was acting up. A lot of the scenes were blurry. A lot of the scenes were cut out where the camera just shut off because it didn't want to record anymore. And I really need to invest in a camera, but I'm just scared. I'm not sure what I want. I even have a birthday gift card. I mean, with big chunk of money that my beautiful niece Andrea gave me for my birthday. And I haven't used it on Amazon because I'm not sure what camera to buy. So that has me a little nervous. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so down here and click that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Thanks guys, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.